The bumper sits in the bottom of your nail gun cylinder. The rubber bumper acts as a stop for the piston. The piston strikes the bumper at the bottom of its travel, which stops it and absorbs its energy. Over time, the rubber bumper will begin to harden and eventually will crack or crumble. Replacing the bumper is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now I'll remove the cylinder and the piston. Now I can remove the bumper from the base of the cylinder and install the new bumper. Now I'll reinstall the piston into the cylinder. I'll pull the piston to the bottom of the cylinder. This will make it easier to install the driver back into the gun. Now this assembly is ready to go back into the gun. You'll notice one side of the piston is notched. The notched side needs to face towards the back of the gun. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. And that's how you can install a new bumper in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.